But these mines are relatively rare. As humanity continues to grow, our precious metals will be the first metals to run out. If we want to get more, the only option will be to mine the asteroid belt itself.
I don't think we can keep making cars here on the surface of the Earth forever. As population grows and our need for these minerals grows, at some point, you're gonna mine the Earth as much as it can be mined, and you have to start to look someplace else. And fortunately, there are mines in the sky out there by the billions, and they're called asteroids.
A lot of asteroids have platinum, iron, nickel, gold in them. It's very expensive to go up there and grab them and tow them back. But just the raw materials in an asteroid could be worth hundreds of billions of dollars.
NASA recently estimated the value of the precious metals and materials on the asteroid belt as being about $600 quintillion, or about $100 billion for every person alive on the Earth today. But I do not expect to be seeing any of that money myself.
We'll have to wait for rocket technology to get cheaper before asteroid mining becomes a viable proposition. Until then, we'll continue to rely on the asteroids that have hit the Earth.